How to make a tuition payment to Newcastle University via EasyTransfer. If you have any questions about this video or the payment process, please feel free to contact our customer support team using the details provided below. First, you can either search for the university's How to Pay page or access it directly through the university website. Then, click International Payments. Next, you will be taken to the Payment from an International Bank Account page. Click the EasyTransfer option to access the payment portal and start your payment process. The first step is to complete your payment information. Select the country where your bank is located and enter the amount you wish to pay in the corresponding category, such as tuition fees, tuition fee deposit, or accommodation fees. Once entered, the total amount and payment estimate will automatically appear at the bottom of the page. Click Login and continue to proceed. If you don't have an account, you can register using either your phone number or email address before continuing. If you already have an account, just log in. After logging in, you will need to provide some basic information, including your name, passport number, and study details. In accordance with International Anti-Money Laundering (AML) regulations, we are required to collect certain payer information, including your phone number, email address, and source of funds. Once submitted, you may proceed to the next step of the payment process. The second step is to upload supporting documents. Please upload your university offer letter and passport for verification. This example uses a U.S. student for demonstration purposes. Actual document requirements may vary by country or region. For instance, users in India may be required to upload an Aadhaar card as part of the verification process. Once uploaded, click Submit. The final step is to complete your payment. After your order has been created, you will see your unique order reference displayed on the screen. You can then choose to pay via bank transfer or debit or credit card. If you wish to pay in another currency, such as the Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, euro, or your local currency, if you would like to confirm whether your local currency is supported, please contact an EasyTransfer payment specialist for assistance. This video shows two payment methods as an example. Depending on your payment source country or region, additional payment options may be available. For example, users in China or India may see more locally supported payment methods. Once you have selected your payment method, click Pay Now to continue. If you choose bank transfer, the system will generate an invoice showing the payable amount and the payee account details. You may then proceed with your preferred transfer method, such as online banking or visiting your local bank in person. For card payments, simply follow the instructions to complete your payment. For more information about tuition fee payments, please visit the Newcastle University How to Pay page. If you encounter any issues during the payment process, please do not hesitate to contact our customer support team. Our customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or issues you may have.